Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Mystic Holistic. I'm Vibha Pawar, and this is a pick a card reading for August 21st, 2021. I hope you guys had a wonderful week, and let's see how the weekend is going to be for you guys. So let's get started. Go ahead, pick a card between option 1, 2, and 3. Okay, if you have selected option number 1, then you have got Six of Swords. Now, Six of Sword is a symbolic of a journey or an escape into a mental clarity. Six of Sword also represents that you have overcome a major hurdle while also staying true to yourself. So you're not lost yourself during the journey and the transition. It represents that the burden or the challenge you are facing is going to yield a new path for you. So you are moving away from something. You are probably relocating. Some of you might be getting into a job which is at a different location altogether. Some of you might have to relocate because of the family responsibilities as well. So today's energy is all about a journey or a relocation that you'll be taking up today. This may not be a physical relocation as well. There are messages that says that you might be on a spiritual journey as well, which you will be accomplishing today, which will bring in more mental clarity. Um, it, it suggests a better positive future and a possibly a period of calm and straight ahead of you. So where whatever you are doing right now, whatever journey you are embarked on, you are on the right path. Just keep moving and you shall seek all the positive happiness and things that you have desired so far. So you'll be able to eventually overcome all the challenges as well by moving away from something. If you've picked up option number 2, then it's a major arcana card again. So it is the Chariot. Now, Chariot is a card of some sort of journey again, but this is a card of confidence, direction, and victory. So what it represents is that you have a perfect sense of direction. You are being guided by your spirit angels on the right path. So just stick to the journey. You have the clarity of mind as well. It is a card of victory. So whatever you are on a journey, you will be honored, you will be recognized. It is a card of victory. All your struggles are going to come to an end as well. If I have to make it more easier for all of you to relate, if you believe in Hinduism, then in Gita, the role of a chariot was played by Krishna, Lord Krishna, right? So he's kind of a messenger as well, and he's kind of a guide as well to during your wars. So that's how chariot represents. So either you will be surrounded by a person who's gonna bring in a good news or bring in a more clarity to your thought process, or he or she would be bringing in more wisdom to you as well, which will help you overcome your struggles right now, and you will be coming out as a victorious person. This could also represent you as a person where you yourself will have the clarity of thoughts and a sense of direction, which can lead you to a better tomorrow, better future, better prospects as well. So Chariot is a card of good direction. So Chariot also says that whichever direction you go in, either left, right, it doesn't matter, as long as you have the spirit guides with you, either journey would be fulfilling for you. So if any of you are struggling between making a choice or making a decision, just a message that is coming in that whichever decision that you pick up, whichever direction that you pick up, you are still going to be victorious in any of the directions. So that's how Chariot represents. And if you have picked up card number 3, Then you've got Nine of Wands. So, Nine of Wands indicates determination and courage under fire, and it also indicates a need of being cautious or defensive in struggles that are yet to come. So, it's more of a defensive card for you. So, there is a conflict that's approaching in near future, and you can easily overcome it. In order to succeed, however, you have to rely on your inner strength and do not sacrifice your values for the sake of short term gains. So, this is a card of encouragement as well, but just just a word of caution that sometimes, in order to protect ourselves, we build a boundary around ourselves, and we try to put a wall around ourselves. And these boundaries and wall, they don't only keep the outside world out, they also lock you in sometime. So you just have to be a little more careful on how much you want to actually wall yourself in, or keep yourself in the boundary, because that should not end up being imprisoning yourself as well. So you have to be a very little bit cautious. There are instances that would happen in your life where you want to keep that boundaries on, but how much or what extent you want to keep those boundaries, that's something to think of. The struggles that you have already experienced have granted you some stability in the present, and by evaluating these reactions of others, your progress has been made smoother. But this tactic will not lead to a sustainable ease. So, don't put yourself in a bounded situation. It's good to have defensiveness, but limit that defensiveness so that you don't end up hurting yourself. So those are the three messages that have come in today. So these are just readings for today. I think these are good cards. So hope you've liked this readings, and if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, I would again urge you to please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for listening. You guys have a wonderful weekend. I will be doing a Sunday reading too, so this reading was only for 21st August. I'll be doing a 22nd August reading as well. But you guys have a lovely weekend. Bye bye.